What's going on, everyone? This is Jeremy coming at you from the Mellow Vapes here in Statesville. Today I'm coming at you with a new product that we're carrying here in our store. And this is for you pod style lovers. We have this teeny tiny little device called the Innokin IO Kit. So this thing is pretty cool.
Super
it's about
tiny.
the same size as Lauren's finger here, as you can see. This thing is 310 mAh, and it has a 1.4 ohm coil in there that comes in ceramic or regular style. So whether you're using it for CBD or whether you're using it for salt based, you can pretty much use it for either of these. Little teeny tiny pods, really nice, but they just snap right down in here. This thing is micro USB, as you can see there on the bottom, and it is auto draw to use. So I definitely recommend one of these if you're looking for something really tiny to hide, or if you have, little tiny pockets or whatever, just like little teeny mods. So I hope to see some of you all out for this, and everyone have a wonderful day.